If you pull it down to tie them up, that will happen. Contact zone, we order also the parts in with the part numbers zone gave us. I checked it out and I said, no, that's totally the wrong part. That's too big. That's that much different, if you see that. Hey guys, we are back. I will show you what's really going on. If you want to tie for traveling, and if you pull it down to tie them up, that will happen. So that's broken. So we try to fix it. That's the spring on it. We try to fix it, but it's not repairable. So we contact zone and ask them for the part number for this hatch. I wanted to order new parts, so I went to the repair shop and I said, they looked at the computer and I said, yeah, Dometic, blah blah blah. When I ordered this parts, the part number was for a complete different hatch. So we looked at the pictures from Dometic. So they had different hatches. And the closest hatch I found was the Hacky 2. They call it Dometic Hacky 2. We order also the parts in. When you look down here, that's a part from Dometic, for the Dometic hatch. The part with delivery, so with postage, was around 100 and something to $10. First up, what we found out, that pin, that pin is black and different
and smaller.
I checked it out and I said, no, that's totally the wrong part. That's too big. That's that much different, if you see that. So very disappointed. So that was actually a special order. So we can't give it back.
You're not able to return it.
No, not able to return it. So $120 or $110, whatever it was with the postage, is actually ready for the bin. Normally when you're going for a company, you buy a Caravan, they should have records for it. And I make a lot of research in the internet to find the different kind of hatches.
I even took pictures of the hatch with measurements and everything and with the broken part and sent that to Dometic to confirm that the part number that Zone gave us is correct for that hatch. And Dometic came back to me immediately. Within 24 hours I had a response to my email. And I said, no, that's not even our hatch. It looks like it's a Ranger, but it is definitely not a Dometic hatch. So next thing we did was contacting, not Ranger, but Simon looked at Aussie Traveler, and what did you find?
We found that hatch.
Look at the hatch.
The parts for that hatch.
Yeah.
So that hatch is actually Aussie Traveler.
With the Aussie Traveler, after we found out that it looks like it's the same part, the same hatch that we have, I contacted Aussie Traveler, sent the same pictures to Aussie Traveler that we sent to Dometic, and I again got a feedback from Aussie Traveler, very helpful as well, and they sent us the link to which part we have to order actually. And they asked me if I want to only order for the left side, which is broken, or also for
the good side,
both. Yeah, or for both sides. And we decided to take the pair, like for both sides. And it was here within, I don't know, 3 or 4 days. And it comes from the East Coast. We are still in Perth here at the moment. Not even a week, and it was here. And it's the right part now.
So we didn't have any paperwork, manual or something, even for the shower hatch.
Nothing else.
So, and found out on a website from Aussie Traveler, it's an Aussie Traveler as well. From Zone, we don't have any records, so they don't give us any records for which kind of hatch we have. When you have something to repair and you want to repair yourself, make a good research that you got the right parts to save your own money. For us was a good learning experience. Another one from our side, that's we spent money, we can not even sell it. I think that's the part.
Or maybe we find someone in one of the Facebook groups. I will post it as for sale. It is a new part. We didn't
Didn't
do anything with it.
Screws.
We are wondering why Zone didn't supply any manuals, either printed or even as a download, about the bed hedge, the skylight over the bed, and the hedge in the shower. And we know other Zone owners are missing those as well. So I put the information in the description box down under the video, and I give back to Simon now.
Show you how to replace this one. If you want to do it by yourself, that's a part. You get 4 screws to unbolt. This one here, it's actually for you want to hold the hose down a little bit, and then you got your gas thread up here, this one here. So that's the hole in here, and you can start from here. This is Phillips number 2 screwdriver.
A note from the cabinet maker: why aren't you using your power tool?
Because that's, you don't want to strip. That's all screwed in plastic. You don't want to strip it.
Exactly.
So, but this one maybe is holding in a. Make sure you got a spot where you can put it stuff. So this, so you got the gas struts loose. Okay, so this new one. Alright, this one comes on top, so I put probably 1 inch screw in. I don't know. That's hold it in position. So we can't use them. Do a freehand screwdriver up the dial. Like I said before, don't get right on. So this one will just hang around here, but we'll make some pieces for it. This one, so the last one, and as it's on, I decided to do the last one. Put it on your bed. On. So, closing up.
Now interesting. Again.
Yeah, it's so much force on this one.
Yeah.
So, but it's, you can see on the buttons, see with the sun, they're actually bleached out. It's
Faded.
faded, yep.
Color faded.
That's why I'm replacing both, because the plastic get faded as well. And that was a replacement for the lock mechanism on the Aussie Traveler hatch.
Nice job. Good job, darling. Thank
Yes,
you so much for explaining and for doing it anyway.
Yeah. So Sunday afternoon.
All right, going into another one.
Going to another one.
Yeah.
Yeah.